Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Lynn here. So today I'm going to pop in. I'm just giving you a little sneak peek there. I'm going to keep you guessing. I'm going to share which collection I've chosen for my next journal as part of the design team for Amanda at Scrimping Mummy. I recently did a flip through of my previous journal, which I shared with you on my channel, and the collection I used for that journal was the French Chic collection that was from Amanda. So I will leave the links to Amanda's Kofi shop and channels in my description box below. Do head over and check those out. Also, if you haven't seen the video for my flip through, do go and check it out. I will also leave that in my description box. I hope I'm not showing the name of the collection. I don't think you can see it there, but all will be revealed in a moment. Maybe you can guess, if you already use Amanda's kits, which one I have chosen. So yeah, let's begin. So here it is. It's the A Lady's Diary collection. So when I flip through them, they're not in any particular order, as I've already been through them. I started my journal a couple of weeks ago, hence the papers are not in any order. I'm absolutely loving the journey with this journal making. I'm having absolutely loads and loads of fun. It's something I've wanted to do for ages, but never thought I would be able to create a journal, and I feel I've surprised myself. I honestly do. So if you are like me and you're wondering whether to give it a try, do give it a try. I can thoroughly recommend it, and I am sure you will enjoy it too. Anyway, let's get on and I'll show you the beautiful papers. So here we go. This page, you could use the beautiful envelopes as little tuck spots. Could layer them up to create little pockets. We've got the gorgeous cloche here with the lovely flowers inside. This reminds me, I have something like this on my windowsill in the kitchen, and inside I've got a beautiful, it's actually a soap, but it's in the arrangement of a flower. I'll have to pop on and share it with you sometime. But that reminds me so much of mine, and funnily enough, it's in pink, the soap. So yeah, you've got the beautiful florals in there. They are peony roses in the envelope, and the beautiful hydrangea with the ink pen in there. Absolutely gorgeous, those. Then you've got this sheet with, now this looks like a kind of lace or some kind of chain effect, and the beautiful scrolly bits on this one. So yeah, you could cut those up and pop them into your journal again to create tuck spots. And then there is the so this one's like a turquoise blue, and then this one is along the pink, I think, on the way my printer's printed it out anyway. And then we have this beautiful one again. Here is the gorgeous border with the scrolls and the lace effect along the edges. The cute little cat just sat there. The beautiful script. It's like an open book with a rose over the pages of the book. And we've got some buttons and a brooch, and then we have this little piece of ephemera with the bulldog clips all sort of stacked up, How lovely are they? And then here we've got a page with tags. Again, some gorgeous tags there. This one, look at the dog sitting as if he's ever so proud there. This one is tickets, stamps, and could be family portraits. This one, the lady in this one is holding some flowers, so they could have been to a wedding or getting married or something like that. The guy has his top hat in his hand and the lady has a beautiful hat on there. We've got the gorgeous patterned paper on this with this one. Now these, I've got an idea what I could do with these. Yeah, there's something just come into my mind. I have already done them once before on my channel, but not in this style. A couple of ideas actually have sprung to mind how I can use these. So that is the beautiful borders with the butterflies, and then again we have the lovely patterned background. It's the same as the pink one, but in the blue colour. You're probably going to think, now then, there's not many papers there. Well, that's because I have already made a bit of a start. Like I said earlier, by the time you see this one, I will be well on the way with my journal. So I'm just going to, I've done 2 signatures this time around in my journal. Last time I did 3, but I'm only doing 2 this time. So I'm going to give you a little peek, but it's only a little peek at one of the signatures. So I'm going to bring that in now and share it with you. So it's just a tiny little peek, like I said. So yeah, that is one of the signatures. So yeah, that's all I'm sharing with you today. At least you did get a flip through of the papers on a nice tidy desk. If you'd seen it earlier, it was absolutely just littered with papers, embellishments, or you name it, glue. Everything was just scattered around the desk. But yeah, that's all I'm doing today, sharing with you today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. I will see you all on my next video. Take care. See you soon and bye-bye for now.